I've got this Julienne and vegetable pillar, sent to me by Sunkuka. That's what it looks like. It's a nice solid steel construction, solid handle, fits well on the hand. It also comes with this little brush, so that when you're cleaning you can really get in there. You've got a Julienne side on one, and a vegetable pillar on the other. You've also got these eye pickers, so you can use this stuff like taking out the eyes on potatoes and other vegetables. Got a carrot, let's try that out on the Julienne. This side is the Julienne, we'll try it out. Nice long strips from the Julienne. On the other side, we'll try with the normal vegetable pillar. Some nice thin strips. That's very easy. Glides right through. And you look at the thickness of that pillar. Also on the side we have these eye pickers, which you could use to carve out some things like eyes of the potatoes. See here with this potato, just dig it in. Just pluck it out. So you see those blemishes you have in potatoes, you can see that. With the other side. Cuts it right out. Let's try with this zucchini. Look at that. Nice even strips. So we'll try it as just a normal slicer. Look at that. Very thin, very uniform. And easy to rinse out. It's a stainless steel and the blades are very sharp.